सर्वेभ्यो नमस्काराः। अद्य सिद्धान्तकौमुद्याः अजन्त-नपुंसकलिङ्गप्रकरणे द्वितीयो भागः। जुलै मासस्य 5मः दिनाङ्कः। येनाक्षरसमाम्नायमधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। मुनित्रयं नमस्कृत्य तदुक्तिः परिभाव्य च वैयाकरणसिद्धान्तकौमुदीयं विरच्यते। अजन्त-नपुंसकलिङ्ग प्रकरणे आदौ अकारान्ताः नपुंसकलिङ्गशब्दाः अधीयन्ते। ज्ञानशब्दः आसीत् आदौ। अकारान्तः नपुंसकलिङ्गः ज्ञानशब्दः साधारणशब्दः। तत्र स्वमोः अमादेशः आदौ विधीयते। कार्याणि नपुंसकलिङ्गानां विशिष्टानि कार्याणि प्रथमाविभक्तौ द्वितीयाविभक्तौ च भवन्ति. It's only in, generally in the prathama and dvitiya vibhakti that the changes happen, because later it behaves like a pullinga. So adau swamohu su am ityetayoh sthane am ityeshah adesho bhavati atom iti sutrena. तेन ज्ञानसु इत्यस्यते ज्ञान अमिपूर्वः इति पूर्वरूपे ज्ञानम्। एवमेव अमः स्थाने अपि अमादेशः क्रियते। ज्ञानम् इति प्रथमा द्वितीया विभक्त्योः रूपम्। औङः शी आदेशः। औ प्रत्ययस्य स्थाने नपुंसकाच्च इति सूत्रेण शी इत्यादेशो भवति, यत्र शकारः इत्संज्ञकः। तेन ज्ञान इ आद्गुणः इत्यनेन गुणे कृते ज्ञाने। ज्ञानं ज्ञाने जस् शसोः शिः शि इत्येषः आदेशः। अत्रापि शकारः इति ज्ञान इ इत्यस्ति। अस्य वैशिष्ट्यं भवति शि सर्वनामस्थानम् इत्यनेन सर्वनामस्थानसंज्ञापि अस्ति। तथा सति नपुंसकस्य झलचः इति सूत्रेण अजन्तस्य अजन्तत्वात् नुम् इत्यागमः क्रियते। ज्ञानन् इ सर्वनामस्थाने च असम्बुद्धौ इत्यनेन उपधादीर्घे ज्ञानानि। ज्ञानं ज्ञाने ज्ञानानि पुनः ज्ञानं ज्ञाने ज्ञानानि इति रूपं शेषं पुंवत्। अन्यानि रूपाणि यथा पुल्लिङ्गे तथा भवन्ति। Okay. When we go to sarvanamas in Napumsakalinga, Jnana Shabda is a general Shabda. Always in both Pullinga and Strilinga, we have studied the Sarvanama directly after the general Shabda. Akaranta Sarvanama Shabdeshu katham bhavati iti cheta. उदाहरणार्थं सर्वशब्दः एव अस्ति। सर्वः सर्वा सर्वं नपुंसकलिङ्गे सर्वशब्दः। वैशिष्ट्यं किमपि नास्ति वस्तुतः। प्रथमा द्वितीया विभक्त्योः यथा ज्ञानशब्दः तथैव। It is सर्वं सर्वे सर्वाणि and सर्वं सर्वे सर्वाणि, because no special karya mandated for sarvanamas can happen here. Actually, in prathama and dvitiya vibhakti in pullinga there is only one karya, which was jasa shi. जस् प्रत्ययस्य स्थाने शी आदेशः आसीत्। अत्र तु जशसो शिः इति सूत्रेण सः बाध्यते। जशसो शिः overrules जसशि because of paratva. Therefore there is no difference between ज्ञान शब्द and सर्व शब्द। तृतीया विभक्तेः आरभ्य पुंवत् पुल्लिङ्गे यथा सर्व शब्दः तथा भवति। अर्थात् ङे इत्यस्य स्थाने स्मै भवति। संज्ञोः स्मात् स्मिनौ भवतः सर्वस्मै सर्वस्मात् सर्वस्मिन् सर्वेषाम् आमि सर्वनाम्नः सुट् इति यानि कार्याणि तानि भवन्त्येव. So this is just a hybrid. In the first two vibhaktis it will be like jnana and the rest will be like sarva shabda in pullinga. Now there are also other shabdas which have a bit of a difference. Katara iti shabdah asti. सर्वादिगणः यदि स्मर्यते सर्व विश्व उभ उभय डतर डतमा अन्य अन्यतर इतर इत्यादीनि सन्ति। डतर प्रत्ययान्तः कतर शब्दः। अकारान्तः नपुंसकलिङ्गः। अत्र को विशेषः इति चेत् अड्डतरादिभ्यः पञ्चभ्यः इति सूत्रम् अस्ति। पदत्रयं विद्यते। अदृड् डतरादिभ्यः पञ्चभ्यः। स्वमोर् नपुंसकात् इति सूत्रम् अनुवर्तते। स्वमोः नपुंसकलिङ्गे सु अम् इत्येतयोः स्थाने अड् इति आदेशो भवति। एभ्यः क्लीबेभ्यः स्वमोः अदिडादेशः स्यात् इति सूत्रार्थः। एभ्यः नाम डतरादिभ्यः पञ्चभ्यः, क्लीबेभ्यः नपुंसकलिङ्गे सु अम् इत्येतयोः स्थाने अदिड् इति आदेशो भवति इत्यर्थः। डतरादिभ्यः इति चेत् डतरादिः सर्वाद्यन्तर्गणः। सर्वादिगणे यथा उक्तं सर्वविश्व उभय डतर डतम अन्य अन्यतर इतर इति डतरादिभ्यः पञ्चभ्यः पञ्चशब्दाः सन्ति डतर इत्यस्मादारभ्य इतर पर्यन्तम्। एतेभ्यः परस्य सु इत्यस्य अम् इत्येतस्य च स्थाने अदिड् इत्यादेशो भवति इत्यर्थः। अमादेशं बाधित्वा पूर्वसूत्रेण अतोऽम् इत्यनेन अमादेशे प्राप्ते तद्बाधित्वा अनेन कतर स् इति स्थिते अड्डतरादिभ्यः पञ्चभ्यः इत्यनेन अड्डादेशः। डकारस्य अत्र इत्संज्ञा वर्तते। अ द ड इत्यत्र डकारस्य हलन्त्यम् इत्यनेन इत्संज्ञा, तस्य लोपः इत्यनेन लोपः, तेन कतर अद् इति भवति। यदा डकारस्य संज्ञा भवति सर्वत्र, everywhere, as soon as we say that dakara is it, there is this sutra which follows, which is tehe. एकपदात्मकं सूत्रं तिविंशतेर्डिति इत्यतः डिति इति अनुवर्तते। भस्य इत्यधिकारः अस्ति, डिति परे भस्य टेः लोपः स्यात् सूत्रार्थः। डित् प्रत्यये परे भस्य भसंज्ञा का भसंज्ञा, भसंज्ञा नाम किं, केषां भसंज्ञा भवति? Nobody remembers bhasamya? What is bhasamya?
Yachiba.
Yachibham. Tena किं भवति? कदा भवति भसंज्ञा? के नियमाः सन्ति?
यकार अकादि प्रत्यये परे,
यकारादौ अजादौ प्रत्यये परे पूर्वं भसंज्ञं भवति। असर्वनामस्थानम् इत्यपि अस्ति। अत्र नपुंसकलिङ्गे सु इत्येतस्य सर्वनामस्थानसंज्ञा नास्ति, तेन भसंज्ञायाः सत्वात् डिति परे भस्य टेः लोपः स्यात्। टि नाम किम्? व्हाट इज टि?
अचो इत्यादि।
सत्यम्, अचो अन्त्यादि टि। अन्त्यादचः परं टि संज्ञं स्यात्। अन्त्यादचः आरभ्य यदस्ति सो टेः लोपः स्यात् इत्यनेन कतर अद् इत्यस्ति, अत्र टि संज्ञा भवति अन्तिमस्य अकारस्य, तेन तस्य टेः इत्यनेन लोपे कतर अद् इत्यस्ति। ओके, कतरद् वावसाने इत्यनेन विकल्पेन चर्त्वं भवति। दकारस्य स्थाने तकारः, तदा कतरत् इति रूपं, चर्त्वा भावे कतरद् इति रूपद्वयम्। सो देयर आर टू फॉर्म्स इन प्रथमैकवचन, कतरत् कतरद्। कतरत् कतरद् कतरे कतराणि इत्यत्र तु समानम्। सो द रेस्ट इज द सेम. द ओनली स्पेशलिटी फॉर these five is that there is an adesha for su and am. The rest will be the same. Instead of kataram, it becomes katarat or katarad. Okay. Bhasya kim panchamaha chuchyate. Now he is asking a question about the sutra. Tehe ityatra diti pare bhasya tehe lopah syat. Bhasamyayam satyameva lopah. Iti kimartham ityatra udaharanamasti panchamaha. पंचन शब्दस्य डट् इति प्रत्ययः क्रियते पूर्णार्थे डट् संख्याया पूरणे डट् इति। डट् इत्यत्र डकारस्य इत्संज्ञा अस्ति। सो पञ्च अ इत्यस्ति, तस्य मट् इति आगमः क्रियते। सो देयर इज अ डट् इज द सफिक्स एंड यू हैव अ मट् आगम. सो व्हेन यू हैव द आगम इट बिकम्स पंचन म. ओके, नाउ since it is tit, can we do tilopa is the question. He says no, because there is no bhasamya. If it was the only dat, which is akara, then it would have been bha, because it is an ajadi pratyaya, then we could have done tilopa. But once we have the mat agama, it becomes ma, panchan ma. Since this is not ajadi, there is no bhasamya, and hence even if it is dit, there is no tilopa. अत्र डटः डित्वेपि यजादित्वाभावात् भसम्या नास्ति, भसम्यायाः अभावात् अत्र टिलोपो न भवति, नकारस्य केवलं नकारस्य नस्तर्धिते इत्यनेन लोपे पञ्चमः इति रूपम्। अनन्तरं कतरत् इत्यत्र हे कतरत् इत्यस्ति, हे कतरसु इत्यस्ति। टेः लुप्तत्वात् प्रथमयोः इति पूर्वसवर्णदीर्घः एङ् ह्रस्वात् इति सम्बुद्धिलोपश्च न भवति। The question we have to ask ourselves is why this adad had to be tit. Question: you have, like, say, if you go back, you have katara ad. Yeah, prathama पूर्वसवर्णः तो गुणे. Okay, हे katara ad इत्यस्ति. हे कतरसु इति स्थिते सोः स्थाने अड्डतरादिभ्यः पञ्चभ्यः इत्यनेन अदिडादेशः हे कतर अद्, पुनः टेः इत्यनेन टिलोपे हे कतर अद् मिलिते सति हे कतरत् हे कतरद् इति रूपम्। अत्र सः प्रश्नं भवति प्रथमयोः पूर्वसवर्णः इति भवति वा अथवा एङ् ह्रस्वात् सम्बुद्धेः इति सम्बुद्धिलोपो भवति वा। हे कतर अद् इति स्थिते अकारस्य अकारे परे अकः प्रथमा द्वितीययोः अचिपरे पूर्वसवर्णदीर्घः एकादेशः स्यात् इत्यनेन पूर्वसवर्णदीर्घः भवेत् इत्येकः प्रश्नः। अपरन्तु एङ् ह्रस्वात् सम्बुद्धेः ह्रस्वान्तादङ्गात् परस्य सम्बुद्धेः अङ्गस्य लोपः स्यात् इति द्वितीयः प्रश्नः। प्रथमप्रश्नस्य उत्तरं तु हे कतर इति नास्ति, टेः इत्यनेन अकारस्य लोपो भवति, akara is deleted. That is why प्रथमयोः पूर्वसवर्णदीर्घः cannot happen. प्रथमयोः पूर्वसवर्णः is overruled by tehe. This is 6-4, that is 6-1. So you have he katar ad, and once you remove the akara, there is no option for prathamayoh purvasavarna. And in he katarat, which we have already seen in Sarvadigana, eng hrasvat sambuddhehe means engantat hrasvantat cha angat hal lupyate sambuddheschet. There is a difference between he katarat and he jnanam. Right? What did we do in he jnanam? There again we had he jnana amipurvaha ityanena purva rupe krite he jnanam tadani makarasya lopah kritah akarantad angat parasya sambuddhehe hal nama makarasya lopah ityanena lope krite he jnana. Can we apply a similar thing here is the question. When you have he katarat, you have katara, which is a hrasvanta anga, and there is a hal which is belonging to sambuddhi. So can we delete this takara or dakara is the question. The question is clear. He katara ad ityasti akarasya lopaha he katar ad he katarat ityasti he atra katara iti hrasvantam asti tatah paratvena hal asti sambuddhehe hal nama takarah athava dakarah. So can we delete takara here is the question. Just like we deleted makara in he jnana, can we delete this takara or dakara, whatever it is, in he katarad is the question. Yeah, this is, there is no ekadesha. Ekadesha is not a prerequisite for sambuddhi lopa, is it? I mean, there is no rule that there has to be an ekadesha to delete sambuddhi. Sorry, I didn't understand. There is no.
Yeah, I was trying to say there we used where
I didn't understand.
Yeah, there if when jnanam we said where a belong and a is the antadi and the purva one, so we were able to get the ma.
When we have ekadesha, we have all that problem.
Right,
Does
right.
it belong to purva or para?
Right.
Here there is no ekadesha. Still, can we do it? I mean, ekadesha is not a prerequisite for sambuddhi lopa. Sambuddhi lopa just requires a Hasvantanga and a hal which is belonging to Sambuddhi.
But here there's no Haraswantanga, right? Katar,
Exactly. So
that's why.
at Katara, since the akara has been deleted, and the akara which exists belong to the pratyaya. So in Katar, adu, if there was an ekadesha, as you said, you could have used purvantavad bhava and said that the akara still belongs to the anga. But here there is no ekadesha. The akara has been deleted. Okay, so whatever remains the akara now belongs to the pratyaya and not to the prakriti. So it does not belong to the anga. The anga here is repha. Okay, so after repha, repha is not a hrasva. So, and the hrasva which is there does not belong to the anga. That is why in Enghasvat Sambuddhehe we have angat and it says Engantat Sasvantat Angat Hallupyate Sambuddheshchet. That is why in the sutra there itself in Enghasvat Sambuddhehe he asked Angat Kim and he gave the example He Katarat Kuleti. He gave an example of He Katarat because here the Enghasvat Sambuddhehe will not apply because the anga is not Hrasvanta. The anga is rephanta and the akara belongs to the pratyaya. So that is why he says tehe luptatvat prathamayoho iti purvasavarna dirghah enghasvat sambuddhehe iti sambuddhi lopashcha na bhavati he katarat he katarad iti rupam punastadvat shesham pumvat punah nama dvitiya vibhaktau prathamavat Katarat, Katare, Katarani, etc. And then Shesham Pumbat. The rest is like Pullinga, which is normal Pullinga, Akaranta, Sarvanama word. Okay. There's a question, why can't we just add the Dakara? Why are we going to the trouble of adding Adu and then removing the previous akara? There is already an akara in the anga. So why can't we just directly add the dakara? Precisely why? I mean, that is what we discussed now. If we directly add the dakara, in Sambuddhi, the akara has to be deleted because the anga is now Hasvanta. If the akara belongs to anga, then the dakara would be deleted by Eng Hasvat Sambuddhehe, which we do not want. That is why he goes to the trouble of adding the akara, taking akara to the pratyaya part and removing the akara from prakriti. Otherwise, exactly that would have happened. We should have had to, like He Jnanam, we should have had to use Eng Hasvat Sambuddhehe and remove the dakara, which is not what is required. Okay. Similarly, you have 5 words. Dataradibhyaha panchabhyaha. Katara katama. Datama pratyayantaha. Tatrapi katamat. Katamad iti bhavati. Anya anyatara itara. So you have itarat, anyat, anyatarat. So these are the 5 words which will have addadesha. Anyatama shabdasya tu anyatamam ityeva. Always there is one tendency. You have anya, anyatara, anyatama. You tend to treat all of them as the same. But there is a difference. Anya and anyatara belong to the sarvadigana, whereas anyatama does not belong to sarvadigamana. It is just a general word. So for anyatama, there is no adadadesha. It will be like jnana shabda. Anyatamam, anyatame, anyatamani, etc. Ekatarat pratishedho vaktavyaha iti vartikam. There is a called ekatara, which is a sarvanama. Okay, because it's latara pratyayanta. I think latara. So ekatarat pratishedho vaktavyaha. There is no adadadesha because of the vartika which says the this vartika prevents adadadesha from applying for this word. So it will be ekataram. Other than that, for these 5, anya, anyatara, itara are just words. Datara and datama are suffixes, so any word ending with datara and datama, you will have adadadesha. Okay. Any questions? Dvatika were not there, the form would have been ekatarat. There would have been other adesha, ekatarat, which is not warranted. Okay. Next you have akarantaha napumsakalingaha ajara shabdaha. As usual, in Pullinga we had Rama and Sarva and then Nirjara. Okay. So Strilinga we had Rama, Sarva and Jara. So here also we have the same problem. Jara Shabda always offers some special things. Avidyamana Jara Yasya Tat Ajara. Yasya Tat iti Napumsakalinga Dyotanaya. I have the word Ajara. Ajara ityasmat supratyayah kriyate. Ato am ityanena akarantat parasya su ityasya am adeshah kriyate. You have ajara am. Okay. So when we have ajara s, what is the special sutra for jara shabda? Jara shabda seshe kim sutram pravartate?
May I?
Yes, Vasuji?
जरायाः जरस् अन्यतरस्य.
Satyam. Jarayaha jaras anyatarasyam ityanena jara shabdasya sthane jaras ityadesho bhavati. Kada bhavati? Kaha niyamaha? No.
Jara will be replaced by Jaras. Total.
When? When is in all cases or is there any particular place? It is not sarvanamasthana. Sarvanamasthane pare iti nasti. It is not also not all the places.
Asam.
Oh, what is the niyama? What is the sutrartha of jaraya jarasanyatarasyam? Correct. Achipare. Ajado vibhakto parataha. When it is followed by an ajadi vibhakti. That is why in nirjaraha there is no jarasadesha. It is only nirjarasu rutvam visargaha nirjaraha. Nirjarasau nirjarau. Tatra bhavati. Where you have ajadi vibhakti, there only jara is replaced by jaras. So that's why when it was su, there was no option for jaraya jarasanyatarasyam. But once it is replaced by you have ajaditvat jarayaha jarasanyatarasyam. Iti jarasadeshaha prapnoti. You should actually get jarasadesha. Yeah? He says, soho amadeshe krite sannipata paribhashaya na jaras. Soho amadeshe krite ato am ityanena sakarasya supratyasya sthane am ityadeshah kriyate. Sannipata paribhashaya na jaras. Sannipata lakshano vidhihi animittam tad vighatasya. Kimasti adantat angat parasya soho amadesho bhavati. Adantasya angasya cha sannipatam ashritya pravruttaha amadeshaha. Amadesha depends on the anga being akaranta. Right? So only if the anga is akaranta, then su is replaced by Okay. So now being dependent on the akaranta and anga, the sannipata between akaranta and anga, it will not like to destroy the ajantatva or the adantatva of the anga. It does not want to remove the akara. If you do jaras adesha, it would become sakaranta, ajaras, right? So then it is not adanta. Right? So which depends on the anga being adanta, does not wish to destroy the adantatva of the anga. Right? Sannipata lakshanaha vidhihi. Akarantasya angasya cha sannipatam ashritya pravruttaha amadeshaha. Tasya angasya akarantatvam ghatayitum nechati. Tasmat sanipata paribhashaya jaras adesho na bhavati. So even if it is ajanta, there is no jarasa adesha. Amipurvaha ityanena purva rupe ajaram iti rupam. So there is jaras adesha is prevented by सन्निपात लक्षण सन्निपात परिभाषा. So this is one of the things to be remembered. I mean, it struck me just now that there is an example of Sanipata Paribhasha happening. What we generally see is, I mean, in most of the cases, he raises, okay, Sanipata Paribhasha should apply here, and then they prevent application of Sanipata Paribhasha by saying it is Anitya. That is what happens in many cases, like in Ramaya and in other cases. So finally we end up searching where is Sanipata Paribhasha actually applied. Okay. So this is one of the cases where Sannipata Paribhasha is applied and Jaras Adesha is prevented. Okay. So Ajaram iti rupam. Ajara au ityasti aungah sthane napumsakacha ityanena shi ityadesho bhavati. Ajara I asti. Idanim punaha ayamapi ajadihi. So now Jaras Adesha will apply because she does not depend on Ajantanga, it does not depend on anything at all. As long as it is Napumsakalinga, how can be replaced by she? Right? So now once that can happen, there is no Sannipata here. Okay? So hence Sannipata Paribhasha also does not have any place. Jara is replaced by Jaras. Okay? So you have a Jaras निर्दिश्यमानस्य आदेशः भवन्ति इत्यनेन जर इत्यस्य स्थाने जरस् इत्यादेशो भवति. So you have अजरस् इ अजरसी इति रूपम्. आदेशाभावे अर्थात् जराया जरस् अन्यतरस्यां वैकल्पिकः आदेशः तदभावे you have अजर इ आद्गुणः इत्यनेन गुणे कृते अजरे. There are two forms, अजरसी अजरे. Again you have ajara jas pratyayah jashasohu shihi ityanena shi adeshah ajara I ityasti paratvat jarasi krite jhalantatvat numu. Now he says when you have done ajara I, now there is an option for two things. One is you can do napumsakasya jhalachaha, like we did for jnana I, it became jnanan I. नपुंसकस्य झलचः झलन्ताद् अजन्तात् चङ्गात् सर्वनाम झलन्तस्य अजन्तस्य च अङ्गस्य सर्वनामस्थाने परे नुमागमो भवति इत्यनेन नुमागमः भवति. Now since this is an ajanta, that should be numagama by napumsakasya झलचः, or there could be jaras adesha by jaraya jarasannyatarasya. What should we do? He says paratvat jarasi krite. So because Jaraya Jarasannyatarasya is the Parasutra, it is in 7.2. Napumsakasya Jalachaha is 7.1.52 something. We'll see next. So it is 7.1.72. Okay. So Paratvat Jarasi Krite, we do Jaras. Now this is not Ajanta, but this has become Jhalanta. Okay. So previously we would have got Numagama because it was Ajanta, but now it is not Ajanta, it has become Jhalanta. Still napumsakasya jhalachaha jhalantasyapi bhavati ajantatsyapi bhavati jhalantatvat atra numagame krite numagamaha kutra bhavati midachoantyat paraha antyad achah paratvena numagamaha. So the final ach here is a. So we have ajara n s I. Ajara n s I iti sthite. What should we do now is the question. Now there is no, in Jnanani we did upadha dirgha. So when nakara is at the end, tasya upadhayaha dirghaha bhavitum arhati. Kintu atra nakaraha eva upadhayam asti. The upadha here is nakara itself and not akara. So we cannot use sarvanamasthane cha sambuddhau to get the dirgha here. Santa mahataha sanyogasya iti agrimam sutram. पदद्वयं विद्यते. ढलोपे पूर्वस्य दीर्घोणः इत्यतः दीर्घः इति अनुवर्तते. नोपधायाः इति अनुवर्तते. नकारस्य उपधायाः दीर्घः. सर्वनामस्थाने असम्बुद्धौ सर्वनामस्थाने परे नकारस्य उपधायाः दीर्घः भवति. सान्तमहतः यदा सः नकारः महत् शब्दस्य नकारः अथवा सान्तः सकारान्तसंयोगस्य नकारः. सो सान्तसंयोगस्य महतः च यः नकारः तस्य उपधायाः दीर्घः स्यात् असम्बुद्धौ सर्वनामस्थाने परे. So this is one of, you already have sarvanamasthane cha sambuddho, which gives a nopadhayaha, nakarasya upadhayaha dikha. He says also when nakara is not at the end, it belongs to mahat shabda, or it is the part of a sanyoga ending in a sakara, which is the case which we have here. Ajara n s nakara sakarayo sanyoga asti, santa sanyoga. Santa sanyogasya nakarasya upadhayaha. So the letter which precedes the nakara will get dirgha, then followed by asambuddhi sarvanamasthana. So therefore you have ajaran s-i santamahata sanyogasya ajkanena nakarasya upadhayaha akarasya dirghe krite ajaran s-i ityasti. Shall ask this. Nascha padantasya jhali. If you remember sandhi prakarana, nasya masya cha apadantasya anuswarasya jhali pare. So sakare pare nakarasya apadantasya nakarasya sthane anuswaradeshe ajaramsi iti rupam. Adesha bhave, when there is no jaras. This is the case when there is jaras adesha. There is no jaras, you have napumsakasya chalachah ityanena ajantasya numagamaha. So now this is ajanta. Ajara is ajanta. So you have numagama. Sarvanamasthane cha sambuddho vityanena upadhadirkha. Idanim ajaran I atkupangnum yavayepi ityanena natve ajarani. Ajaramsi ajarani iti rupadvayam bhavati. So ajaram iti ekameva rupam. Ajarasi ajare ajaramsi ajarani. Again you have the same. What happens in Ami lukaha apavadam ambhavam badhitva paratvat jarase. He says you have you have ajara Okay. What happened in ajara su was when it is supratyaya there is no option for jaras because there is no ajaditva. Only after you do the amadesha you can get jaras. But now you have already. You have ajara where it is already ajadi. So there is an option of doing jaraya jarasanyatarasyam and there is an option of doing ato Okay, the sutra krama is this. So there is first is swamor napumsakat, a sutra which we have not studied so far. Agre agavishyati kimuchyate napumsakat parayoho su amoho luk bhavati. So they will be deleted is what Swamo Napumsakat tells. Okay? So preventing that ato if the anga is akaranta, instead of being deleted, the su and are replaced by Okay? So therefore he says ami lukaha apavadam. Swamo Napumsakat luk tasya apavada bhutaha ato iti tam badhitva. So overruling ato you have jaraya jarasanyatarasyam paratvat jarasadeshaha. Saptamadhyayasya dvitiya pade विहितत्वात् अतो इति अंभावं बाधित्वा परत्वात् जरसादेशो भवति तेन अजरस् इत्यस्ति ततः सन्निपातपरिभाषया न लुक्. Now once we have ajaras adantatvam nasti, there is no adantatva, so ato will not apply, but swamor napumsakat can apply now because as long as it is not akara, swamor napumsakat, the luk will delete the pratyaya. So again he says sannipata paribhashaya na luk. Kimartham ajadim vibhaktim ashritya jarasadesha pravrittah. Jarasadesha was done depending on the pratyaya being ajadi. Now if the pratyaya itself is deleted, it is opposing sannipata. So since jarasadesha ajadi pratyayam ashritya pravrittah, idanim yadi jarasadeshe krite amaha luk syat तर्हि सन्निपात परिभाषायाः विरोधः स्यात्. तेन जरसादेशे कृते स्वमो नपुंसकात् इति लुक् न भवति अजरसम् इति रूपम्. जरसादेशः भावपक्षे तु अजर इत्यस्ति. अतो इति अमः स्थाने अमिपूर्वः इत्यनेन पूर्वरूपे अजरम् अजरसम् अजरम् इति रूपद्वयम्. In supratyaya it is only one form ajaram. In in Dvitiya Ekavachana there are two forms, Ajarasam and Ajaram. Any questions? The remaining two vibhaktis, that is Dvivachana and Bahuvachana, will be same. Ajarasi, Ajare, Ajaramsi, Ajarani. Shesham Pumbat. The remaining as it is in Pullinga. That is, you will have Ajarasa, Nirjarasa, Nirjarena itivat, Ajarasa, Ajarena ityadi bhavati. Okay. So yes, to explain this again.
I just didn't understand that.
Question is, you have
look, the look, when we say look, there are certain things which we say you cannot do, like look, there is a sutra which said that if you have look.
have to be concerned with all that, because here it just means lopa, that is all.
Okay.
Look is just lopa. After look, if we have to do some karya, we look at pratyaya lakshana, nalumatangasya, etc.
Okay.
But for this purpose, we don't need anything. It's just deletion. Okay. And Sannipata Paribhasha does not allow deletion. The question is, you have three sutras which could apply here. Swamor napumsakat ityanena napumsakat parayohu swamohu lopo bhavati. Luk bhavati iti prathamam sutram. Atom ityatra adantad angat napumsakat parayohu swamohu amadesho bhavati. Jaraya jarasanyatarasyam ityanena ajadau vibhakto paratah jara shabdasya jaras adesho bhavati. So these are the three karyas. So in the beginning, what we have initially is you have ajara and you have Dvitiya Ekavachane pratyaya. Idanim prashnaha ato esham sutranam kim karaniyam iti prashnaha. First, Swamo Napumsakat which will apply. Will have a chance to apply because it is the general sutra. It just says if it is Napumsakalinga, su and am are deleted. Swamo Napumsakat is overruled by ato because it says if it is adanta anga, if the anga is hrasvakaranta, instead of deletion, you replace it with Okay. So Swamo Napumsakat is overruled by ato Ato is again overruled by Jaraya Jarasanyatarasyam because it is Parasutra. Paratvat ato iti ambhavam badhitva Jaraya Jarasanyatarasyam ityanena jarasadesho bhavati. Tena kim asti idanim ajara Jaraya Jarasanyatarasyam ityanena jarasadeshe krute ajaras ityasti. Fine. Now the question is, now can we apply Swamor Napumsakat? Initially, since the anga was akaranta, we said ato would apply. Idanim to akarantatvam nasti. Ajaras iti sakarantatvam eva asti. Idanim Swamor Napumsakat ityanena pratyayasya. So pratyayasya lopo bhavati va iti prashnaha. Na bhavati iti uttaram. Kimartham na bhavati? Sannipata paribhasha virodhat. Sannipata lakshanaha vidhihi animittam tad vighatasya. Atra jaras adeshaha ajadi pratyayam ajaditvasya pratyayasya to sannipatam ashritya pravrittah. Jarasadesha is entirely dependent on the pratyaya being ajadi. Now, if the pratyaya itself is being deleted, it is going against the principle of Sannipata Paribhasha. So, if Jarasadesha becomes nimitta for pratyaya lopa, then it is Sannipata Paribhasha virodha. That is why we cannot delete the pratyaya after doing Jarasadesha. Since Jarasadesha itself was dependent on the pratyaya, ajadi pratyaya, after doing Jaras we cannot delete the pratyaya. Sannipata paribhashaya look na bhavati. Tena ajaras ityasti. So we just have ajarasam. Adesha bhava pakshe to ajaram iti rupam. Shesham Pumbat. The rest will be like Pullinga. Paddannomas iti hridaya udaka asyanam hrid udan asan. Paddannomas hrin nish asan yushan doshan yakanchakan udan asan shastrapratishu. So he takes the three Napumsakalinga words which are in the sutra. all others, I mean, some of them have been covered in Pullinga, some of them in Strilinga. Idanim Napumsakalinga Shabdaha Trayah Santi Sutre. Pada, Danta, Paddan, Nomas, Nasika, Masa, all of them have been covered earlier. Says Hridaya, Hrid Adeshaha. Paddan, Nomas, Hrit. Hrit iti Hridaya Shabdasya Adeshaha. Nish, Asan, Yushan, Doshan, Yakan, Shakan, all of them again will be in either Ajanta Pullinga or Halanta Pullingas. Udan, Asan. Udan is an Adesha for Udaka Shabda. Asan is an Adesha for Asya Shabda. Hridaya, Udaka, Asya. Iti sarvepi Napumsakalinga Shabdaha. Tena tesham Shas Prabhritishu. Shasadau Arabhya ete Adeshaha bhavanti. Hridaya. Hridayam Hridaye Hridayani. Hridayam Hridaye. Suti, it is usual. It is like Jnana Shabda. There is no difference. Only beginning with Shas you have the Adesha. We have Hridaya Shas Pratyaye Pare. Hrid Hridaya I ityasti. Jashaso Shihi ityanena. Shi. Hrid I. Paddan Nomas ityanena. Hridaya Shabdasya sthane. Hrid ityadeshaha. Hrid I ityasti. Idanim Napumsakasya Jhalataha. This is again Jhalanta. Jhabhai Ghadadash Jabagadadash. Dakaraha Jhalvarnaha Jhalantatvat Napumsakasya Jhalataha. Iti Sarvanamasthane pare numagame Hr N D Antyadachah paraha mit agamaha. Hr N D I Naschapadantasya Jhali ityanena Nakarasya sthane Anuswaraha. Nasya masya cha apadantasya Jhali pare Anuswaraha. Tadanantaram Anuswarasya Yai Parasavarnaha. Yayadau Parataha Anuswarasya sthane Parasavarnaha Adesho bhavati. Tena Dakarasya Parasavarnaha. Dakarasya Savarnaha nama Nakaraha. Hrind I Hrindi. Iti Rupam. Adesha bhave Hridayani. There will be two forms. There is Hrindi and Hridayani. Hrida Hridbhyam ityadi. So later you have Hridaya A, Hrid A, Hrida. There is no other karya. Hrida Hridbhyam Hridbhihi. Hridaya Hridbhyam Hridbhyaha ityadi. Hridi Hridoho Hurtsu. Tatra Chatvam bhavati. Kharicha iti Chatvam. Tavadeva. That is all. So in Shas, Numagama is the extra thing. Udaka Shabdasya sthane Udan ityadeshaha. Udaka as sthate. Jashaso Shihi ityanena Shi. Udaka I ityasti. Udan adeshaha Padanomas ityanena Udan I. Idanim atra Numagamaha bhavati va. Can we do Numagama here? Jhalantatvat. This is not Ajanta, but Jhalantatvat Numagamaha bhavati va. Can we do Numagama like we did for Hridai? Satyam Sarvanamasthane pare Numagamaha. Shi ityasya Shi Sarvanamasthanam. Sarvanamasthana samya asti. It is not Jhalanta. Right? Makara does not belong to Jhal. This is a common mistake we always make. Jhal starts after Nyamangananam. Hayavat lan Nyamangananam Jhabhai. Okay, since this is not jhalanta, napumsakasya jhalachah ityanena numagamo na bhavati. Right. So, I mean, there are sometimes very simple things, but we spend some time over it because we do not examine the rules properly. उदन् ई सर्वनामस्थाने च असम्बुद्धौ इति तु उपधा दीर्घः भवति नान्तस्य उपधायाः दीर्घः स्यात् असम्बुद्धौ सर्वनामस्थाने परे उदानि उपधायाः दीर्घे कृते उदन् ई उदानि इति भवति ओके हा उद्ना तृतीया विभक्तौ यु हैव उदक आ उदन् आ अल्लोपो नः so you have at lopa you have wherever you have an you have already seen this in yushna etc an itisthite anah at lopah at ityasya lopo bhavati at nama akarasya hrasva akarasya lopo bhavati bhasamyayam satyam so you have udan a bhasamyayam satyam ajaditvat bhasamya bhasamyayam satvam satyam allope ud n a udna iti rupam उदभ्याम उदन् भ्याम इति स्थिते पदसंज्ञा भवति सर्वनामस्थाने स्वादिशो सर्वनामस्थाने इत्यनेन तदा तु उदन् भ्याम नलोपः प्रातिपदिकान्तस्य प्रातिपदिकसंज्ञकं यत् पदं तदन्तस्य नकारस्य लोपः स्यात् इत्यनेन नकारलोपे उदभ्याम उद्ना उदभ्याम उदभिः उद्ने उदभ्याम उदभ्यः we seeing this wherever you have nakaranta there are three things which you have to remember. One is sarvanamasthane cha sambuddhau, one is alloponaha, and the third is nalopa pratipadikantasya. There are chances of all three of them being applied. Udna udabhyam udabhihi, udne udabhyam udabhyaha ityadini rupani. Third word was asan. Asan will be entirely like udan. Both of them are nakarantas. So asan I jasi pare I ityasmin pare उपधादीर्घे आसानि यथा उदानि तथा आसानि इति भवति आस्ना आसभ्यां पुनः अजादौ परतः अल्लोपः हलादौ परतः न लोपः तेन आस्ना आसभ्याम् इत्यादि उदकशब्दवदेव भवति in connection with Padanomas we had a vartika mamsa pratana sanunam mamsa prut snamo vaच्याः मांस इति अकारान्तं नपुंसकलिङ्गं तस्य स्थाने मांस इति आदेशो भवति मांस अस् पुनः अत्र शी मांसि इत्येव there is nothing you just replace mamsa with mams and join it is mamsi mamsa mamsu a mamsa mamsa भ्याम इत्यस्ति मांसादेशे मांस भ्याम इदानीं संयोगान्तस्य लोपः इत्यनेन सलोपः इत्युच्यते you have nakara sakara. One thing which you have to remember about mamsa, one thing which is special about mamsa is originally it was ma n s. There was a nakara. Numagama has been done in the Adesha itself. So there is ma n s. The nakara by nashtapadantasya chali has been converted to anuswara. So now you have mams bhyam. Now ayogavahas can be both hal and ach. So if we consider it as hal, there is a sanyoga. So because it is a sanyoga and there is a padasamya. Sanyogantasya lopaha. Sanyogantam yat padam tadantasya lopaha syat. इत्यनेन सकारस्य लोपो भवति. Sakara is deleted by sanyogantasya lopaha. Now what will happen to the anuswara is the question. So there is a paribhasha which says nimittapaye naimittikasyapi apayaha. Nimittapaye. So nimittam is the cause for some karya. Nimittapaye, when the nimitta is destroyed, naimittikasyapi apayaha. Naimittika means something which is dependent on the nimitta. Okay, so that will also be removed. For example, what had happened here, as I told, is man s iti sthite nashchapadantasya jhali ityanena nakarasya sthane anuswarah asit. So when there is sakara, the na was converted to anuswara. Now, once the sakara is removed, sakara was the nimitta for anuswara. Sakarasya apaye, nama sakarasya lope krite, naimittikasya, nama anuswarasya api nivrittihi bhavati. So the anuswara is also removed and the nakara comes back. Okay. So the nakara, it was originally a nakara, it had been converted to anuswara by nashchapadantasya jhali. Now once the sakara, the nimitta which is jhal, which is sakara is removed, the anuswara is again reconverted. It comes back into nakara. So you have man bhyam. Sanyogantasya lopaha ityanena salopaha. Salope krute nimittapaye naimittikasya pyapayaha. That is the paribhasha. Taya paribhashaya anuswarasya nivrittau. The anuswara also returns. I mean, it is removed and you come back to the original thing, which was nakara. Question: the bhakara is also jhal, right? So initially the sakara was jhal, and that's why the na was converted to anuswara. Bha is also jhal, jha bhai. Okay? So why can't we convert this nakara to anuswara using this jhal as the nimitta? Bhakarasyapi jhaltvat kimartham atasya nakarasya anuswaratvam nasti. The form has been given as mandhyam. Exactly. Nashcha apadantasya. Nashcha apadantasya jhali has apadantasya. Now this nakara has become padanta because there is padasamya by swadisha sarvanamasthane. Therefore, we cannot apply nashcha apadantasya jhali. The nakara remains as it is. Manbhyam. Mamsa manbhyam manbhihi. Mamse manbhyam manbhyaha. Ityadi ritya rupani. Okay. So there is a bit more about padanomas, which we will see in the next class. Any questions? Okay. येनाक्षरसमां नायमधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः. वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्. मुनित्रयं नमस्कृत्य तदुक्तिः परिभाव्य च वैयाकरणसिद्धान्तकौमुदीयं विरच्यते. So next class, next Monday.
The organizer